Hey honeys, today I'm treating myself to a relaxing foot spa at home. No salon, no stress, just self care on a budget. Let's unwind together. I start with a warm soak, just Epsom salt and a drop of shampoo. This helps soften the skin and relax tired feet. Next, I use a foot file on the heels. It removes dead skin and leaves the feet feeling soft. I also like to use aloe vera gel and a shaver to remove the dead skin. I also use a cuticle softener and push back those cuticles. After doing my nails, I like to go in with a foot mask and keep it on for 15 to 20 minutes. As a last step, I like to go in with my favorite part, which is moisturizing and massaging feet. That is also helpful for blood circulation, and also it feels super amazing on the feet. And that's it, a full spa at home, affordable, easy, and relaxing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and take care of yourself. Bye.